Oh, Pat, you're here early.
Yeah, Connor. Early bird catches worm.
Oh, yeah? So you catch that worm?
Yeah, it turns out I did.
Hi, I'm Worm. Holy shit, it's an actual worm.
Bet your ass it is. Worm's the best. Hey, I'm a little thirsty. You know what the best part is? Ever since I started getting up early, I've gotten so much work done. Hey, send an email to our boss. Tell him I'm gonna need a couple weeks off because you and I are going on vacation, bud.
Oh, you've made me the happiest worm. That's unbelievable.
Man. That's not even the best part. Check this out. Hey, Worm.
Yeah?
I just don't feel so motivated today. I just think I'm
You're the
worth...
light in everyone's eyes. I love you.
You just make me feel so loved. Oh, Worm. Stop. Okay. Who's there?
It's your best friend, Worm.
I love my worm. Connor, you're here early.
Yeah, Pat. Early bird catches the worm.
Worm, what the fuck?